Compatible with Volkswagen Jetta 2.5L 2005 to 2014, Beetle 2.5L 2006 to 2014, Passat 2.5L 2012 to 2014, Passat 2.0L 2006 to 2008, Rabbit 2.5L 2006 to 2009, Golf 2.5L 2010 to 2014, GTI 2.0L 2006 to 2008, EOS 2.0L 2007 to 2009, Jetta 2.0L 2006 to 2008. Cont. S42.4L 2004 to 2010, C72.5L 2006 to 2013, C32.5L 2007 to 2013, S42.5L 2004 to 2011, XC62.5L 2015-2016, V52.4L 2005 to 2010, V52.5L 2005 to 2011, XC72.5L 2016, V60 Cross Country 2.5L 2015-2016, V62.5L 2015-2016, S60 Cross Country 2.5L 2016. Replaces ACDELCO PF2257, FRAM CH9911, CH9954, PUROLATOR L35234, L35581, VOLVO 8642570, 8692305, VW, AUDI 06D 115405, 06D 115466, 06D 115562, 06D 198405, Wix 57186, 57187. Built for both synthetic and conventional oils. Proven to drive up to 5,000 miles between oil changes with confidence. Greater engine protection by optimally screening out 97% of harmful contaminants such as carbon, sand, dust and bits of metal before they can get into your engine. Top reviews from the United States. Fits VW Rabbit 2.5-liter, 5-cylinder, comes with 2 rubber ring gaskets. The bigger gasket fits the VW Rabbit.